if you're applying the tourniquet properly over the meaty compartment of the extremity, tourniquets left on for less than 2 hours rarely have any side effect whatsoever. Surgically, we apply a tourniquet, we leave it on for about an hour, we decompress the tourniquet, we inspect where we're working for any bleeding. If we need to work longer, we inflate the tourniquet again and go about our business. If the first tourniquet is not effective at stopping the bleeding, apply a second tourniquet directly above the first tourniquet. Do not remove the first tourniquet. Tourniquets hurt. They cause pain. There's no way for a tourniquet to be effective that does not cause pain.